Good morning, students. Today we will do the textbook and workbook part for chapter 2 Surprising Potato. Okay, all of you open your textbooks. Okay, comprehension. Comprehension. A. Fill in the blanks with a suitable word given in the brackets. 1. Granny's favorite vegetable was dash. Options: tomato, potato. What is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is potato, right? So, pick up and write here. What is the spelling of potato? P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Okay. Number 2, Granny grew many dash in her lovely garden. Options: vegetables, flowers. So, what is the correct option here? Yes, vegetables. Write down vegetables. Okay. Number 3, the potato plant was dash than the rest. Smaller or bigger? Yes, bigger. Write down B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger. Number 4, they called the dash at the end. Options: pet dog, pet cat. Yes, tell me, dog or cat? Yes, cat. So write here P-E-T, pet, C-A-T, cat. Now, question answers we have already written in the classwork, and play with words. Around the names of 6 vegetables given in the word search below, you can take help from pictures. So, look here. You can see carrot, radish, brinjal, cabbage, onion, spinach. Right? First of all, see. Here we have to do the puzzle. All are ready? Yes. See. Spinach. S-P-I-N-A-C-H. Spinach. Okay. Circle it. Next. What is the next picture? Yes, this is onion, right? So, where can we see the onion spelling here? Yes, here. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Circle it. Yes, good. Okay. Next, what is the next picture? Yes, this is cabbage. Where is cabbage spelling? Yes, we got C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Okay. Then cabbage after. Yes, what is this? Yes, it is radish. Do you like radish? No, don't like. See here, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Circle it. Okay. Next, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, carrot. Who loves carrot? Hair, right? Carrot. See the first line. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Okay. Next picture. What is this? Brinjal. Yes, where is brinjal spelling? Yes, here B-R-I-N J-A-L. Brinjal. Okay. All done? Okay, come on, let's go to the next exercise. Circle the correct spelling of the words in each row. Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden. Is this correct? Or G-A-D-E-N? Or G-A-R-D-A-N? What is the correct spelling for garden? Yes, this is the correct answer. You are right. Circle it. Vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Where? Yes, here it is. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E. Circle it. Next, third one. Potato. Where? The correct spelling? Yes, here we got. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Okay. Next, kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Circle it. Okay, very good. We got all the correct spellings now. Grammar game. Let us know what is a noun. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example, the Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Taj Mahal is a place. So, place is a noun. Next, the lion chased the deer. Animal. Okay, the lion here, animal. So, what is? Deer is also an animal, right? So, these two are what? Animal. So, animals are nouns, right? The books are kept on the table. So, books are on the table. So, what is the noun here in this sentence? Yes, you are right. Books, right? So, books is a thing. Next, 4. Vikas and Rohan are friends. Vikas and Rohan are persons. So, these persons are also noun, name of a person, right? So, this is the noun. This is a noun and we have to see whether it is a place or name or a thing name. So, then that is a noun. Common nouns. Common names of persons, place, animals or thing are called common nouns. So, common nouns. Common nouns means what? Tell me some examples. Boy, girl, teacher, doctor, right? So, that are all common, but specially names are not mentioned. Okay? See the example. Boy, student, lady. Next, proper nouns. Okay, proper nouns means what? Yes, it is having a specific names given to persons, place, animals or thing are called proper nouns. So proper nouns means it has a specific name. For example, your name, it is a specific, right? See the example. Manjit, Agra. He is a boy and Agra, it is a place. So, proper nouns, these both are proper. We have given the name Agra. Okay. Next, write person, place, animal or thing for these words. See, girl. Girl is what? Person. Is it person, place, animal or thing? No. Girl is a person. Write down. P-E-R-S-O-N. Person. Number 2. Tiger. Tiger what? Is it place or animal or person? Tiger. Tiger is an animal, right? Yes. So write down A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. Next. Table. What is? It is a thing, right? So table is very good. It is a thing. So write down. Thing. Thing. Hospital. Hospital means what? It is. Yes, tell me. Yes, it is a place, right? Hospital is a place. Write down. Place. Place. Okay. Hope you all understand what we learn now. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Common nouns. Common nouns are very rare. Common nouns are nouns of persons, place, animals or thing. Right? And again we learned about proper nouns. Proper nouns means what? We can see a particular name for a person, animal or thing. Okay. Now turn on the next page, my dears. Underline the proper nouns in the following sentences. Proper nouns. Okay. What is a proper noun? Yes, a proper noun is a noun that has a particular name of a thing or place or animal. Now see the question here. Jayant is a good boy. So here what is the proper noun? Yes, boy is a common noun and Jayant underline. Next, Red Fort is in Delhi. So here, yes, Red Fort is a proper noun and Delhi is also a proper noun. Okay. Holi is called the festival of colors. So what is? Holi is called the festival of, yes, colors. Shall we write? What is the proper noun here given? Holi. Okay, remaining all festival, it is a common noun and all. Okay, see the next question. Taj Hotel is in Mumbai. So here in this sentence, how many proper nouns are here? Yes, Taj Hotel is a proper noun. Mumbai is also a proper noun. Okay. Newton was a great scientist. So, Newton was a great scientist. What is the proper noun here? Yes, Newton, right? Now, communication skills. This all we can do when our school reopens. Okay. See here. Talk about the following to your friends. Who are the two people who stay with you? So, who are the two people who stay with you? Tell me. Yes, who are the two people who stay with you? You can write your father, your mother, whatever may be. Only two persons' names you have to write. Next, how do you help your mother? Yes, you will water the plant, you will clean the furnitures, right? That you have to write. Do you play games with your friends? Yes, I play games with my friends. Next, do you respect your grandparents? Yes, I respect my grandparents. Okay, these are the questions in the book. The places are not allotted. So, you have to remember the answer whenever we ask. Okay, you have to be ready with the answers. Now, see here, students. Let's do. Is the girl playing with a ball? Yes or no? Is the girl playing with a ball? Tell me. Is there any ball near to her? Yes, there is a ball, right? Next one. With a, Is the girl playing with a doll? Yes. What we will write? Yes, right? So write the spelling of yes. Next question. Is Rahul wearing red shoes? What is the color? Yes, it is red in color. So we can write yes. Next. Is the sparrow sitting in the nest? Is the sparrow sitting in the nest? Yes. Okay, see? The sparrow is sitting in the nest. Okay. So this all you have to copy in your practice book. In the practice book we have to write the meanings. As meanings they have given like matching. See the first question. Leave. Leave means. Yes. Leave means. Yes, we have to leave. Go away from. Leave means go away from. Write B. Next question. Still. Still means go away from. Number here the numbers are mistaken. See here once more. Leave. Leave means what? Yes, go away from. B. Still. Even now. A. Okay. Delicious. Highly pleasant to the taste. D. Favorite. Best loved. C. Favorite. Best loved. Okay. Now see the opposites. Pull. Push. You all know. Always you are doing this. Right. Yes. Number 2. Wife. Husband. 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 Then bigger. Smaller. 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 Taller. Shorter. 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 Okay. So this you all have to copy in your textbooks. Textbook we have already written. You have to copy this all in your practice book from the textbook. We have written the textbook part first. So from there you have to copy the things from the textbook and you have to write neat. Neatness is very, very important, my dear students. So from your childhood, you have to cultivate good handwriting. Okay, hope you all understand this workbook and textbook part. Have a nice day.